How to set up CORS in CherryPy. Overview. When creating a post request from my website to my Python server running CherryPy, I receive the error access to Xml request has been blocked by CORS policy column request header field content type is not allowed by access control allow headers in preflight response. I was able to get away with the problem temporarily with one of the CORS Everywhere browser extensions, but due to recent updates, the extensions have not yet been updated to be working again. The website involved needs to eventually be used by Minnie and my local complex without the browser extension, so once the extensions get updated, it does not really matter one way or another, as I cannot rely on these extensions, and force everyone to use them, when there is obviously a fix that would make an extension not necessary. I figure that perhaps the solutions are outdated, but I'm not sure. Here is the relevant code. On the server side, CherryPy/Python. The CherryPy Python function being called, from the website post request. Here is the area where I set up and run CherryPy. Here is the config file mentioned in the code above, config_file. The solutions I have tried implementing. The inclusion of the following function above the main function. With CherryPy.tools.CORS equals CherryPy.tool before _handler, CORS, 2. Adding CORS.expose.on, true to CherryPy.config.update above. 3. Using this CherryPy CORS Python library I found online, this URL 4. The inclusion of headers in the config.update portion of the Python file. 5. Adding at CherryPy.tools.accept media equals application/JSON before def at _meeting. Conclusion. I've tried the solutions above together, separately, some with and without the others, and I am still stuck. Maybe some of these solutions are partially correct, and there is something extra needed with my code. I am not sure, I just cannot get it working. I do not have much experience with web development before this, so maybe, and hopefully, the solution is extremely simple. I know the code works, I just cannot get it running without a working CORS Everywhere browser extension for every user. As for the versions I am running, I am using CherryPy 14.2.0 and Python 2.7.6. Any help would mean the absolute world to me, thank you.
So first, you need to set preflight headers when processing options request. You can list allowed methods there. Then, you also need to enable the CORS.expose tool. There's some usage hints in the docstring of CherryPy CORS. For example, when using a method dispatcher, you could just decorate an options handler method with a CherryPy_CORS.tools.preflight instead of doing this in every HTTP handler. Here's a simple traversal example, without a method dispatcher. To test it, visit this URL, and it will make requests against this URL, which is a different origin in terms of CORS, localhost not equal 127.0.0.1.
If you want to see more 3 seconds, hit subscribing.